guys, this is Michael Mangelli from MarineMax here in Sarasota, standing aboard a brand new 2024 Saxdor 270. Very versatile boat. You can cruise it, you can ski it, and you can even sleep on it, which I'll show you. Starting at the back of the boat, you're going to see a black V8 300 Mercury motor. Nice glass accent here at the transom with sliding doors on both sides. Slides into place. Sea decking throughout, as you can see. Cushiony on your feet and adds a nice style to it as well. Inside here, the cockpit area, you've got the smoked orange interior. Really sharp on this boat, really a strong look. You can see the teak accented tables here. There's a lot of uses here, a lot of extra seating here. And also here you can see the top. This is the sky roof, hard top, with all this natural light flowing through here. Gives it a real sharp look and a lot of natural light. Cruising up here to the helm, you're going to see nicely pointed helm, 12-inch Simrad unit, trim tabs, a lot of instrumentation, some accent lighting, really sharp looking boat. Inside the cabin, you're going to see a nice size cabin for a 27-foot boat. So you've got a lot of uses here in the cabin. The head is here on the starboard side, lifts up, and there's a toilet there and a freshwater sink. Moving up to the bow, you'll see some nice cushions up here, a lot of lounge space, a nice windlass, and the boat also features a bow shade as well. So if you have interest in this boat or any other boat here at MarineMax, give us a call, 941-388-4411.